Welcome to the National Council for Science and the Environment student poster session. Our research question is, how can science, technology, engineering, and math, or STEM education classes improve the understanding of climate change and encourage students to identify solutions to address global and local impacts? Our team conducted an informal needs assessment from 2018 to 2020 of environmental science students. And what we found was there was a gap in student preparedness for conducting research, synthesizing information, and report writing. In order to reduce that gap, the team identified resources such as having an embedded STEM librarian, Student Success Center staff, so we have a writing center, a career center, and partnering with local organizations to enable students to really see the connection between what they were studying and the application of the content for the future. Many guest speakers related to climate change, whether it be coral bleaching or impacts to the ecosystem, many more involved impacts to the socio-ecological or the human dimensions of climate change. And those connections, as based on testimonies from students, revealed that this really helped deepen their understanding of climate impacts and also in their seeking solutions, broaden the approach in which they were addressing case study projects or other class project-based learning activities. Our approach to address the research question includes three focus areas: information literacy, project-based learning, and campus-wide training and informational workshops. For informational literacy, students were tasked with completing a case study about global environmental change. Students had to identify evidence of climate change, explain why it is occurring, and then develop adaptation strategies and recommendations to address change at the global and local scale, such as in their city or county. Student support was provided through course content, an embedded STEM librarian, the Writing Center, and a series of guest speakers who provided real-world examples of climate impacts and resiliency planning. Project-based learning includes hands-on opportunities with regional partners, often with field trips to project sites to learn about sea level rise or coral bleaching, hurricane research, resiliency projects, and restoration activities. Again, our students conducted research and had to report their finding to their peers in classrooms, but also external audiences. Regional partners provided training and information that has led to volunteer and employment opportunities for our students. And STEM education support was shared to strengthen the students' abilities and confidence in evaluating, synthesizing, and applying what they had learned to real-world scenarios. Campus-wide events broaden the audience for STEM education and climate literacy. Training and workshops were hosted in collaboration with our campus library. It's also a shared institution with another state university, so we had a broad audience available. Trainings include topics related to climate and socio-ecological systems, in addition to job-seeking skills, recruitment events, and also a student research symposium where students could practice and refine their skills in conference presentations. Preliminary results have shown that all of the STEM support improves student achievement in the learning outcomes. Project-based learning has helped students relate to and deepen their understanding of climate impacts to socio-ecological systems. And testimonials and feedback, also the pre-post assessments, have illustrated that students have a deeper understanding, they're ready for workforce employability, and from alumni that the classes have really prepared them for jobs in the professional environmental science field. In conclusion, we found that STEM education can be the catalyst for improving students' understanding of climate impacts and how to take action. We'd like to thank the numerous STEM partners and collaborators for all of their input and participation, and also the students for their positive feedback.